We are Synovus Energy, a Texas-based, veteran-owned renewable energy company. Every electric vehicle comes with a 120-volt charger, but some want a faster charge time and elect to install a 240-volt charger, which is where Synovus Energy comes in. We install EV chargers for every make and model across the state of Texas and would love to install one for you. And all our EV chargers come with a 2-year warranty. If you are ready to speak to the EV charging team, please give us a call today at 833-766-6887. We look forward to speaking with you soon.